back again with another edition of Dressing Well Wednesday. 3 tips in under 3 minutes to inspire everyday style. Well, today's topic is how to give your black and white wardrobe a little bit of punch as we get through the last month of winter. Tip number 1 is all about pearls. I love them, and a lot of people think you have to save them for spring. I say when you can find them embedded on a sweater, sprinkled on some accessories like this headband, or even find them on footwear like these black booties, grab them. They brighten up your dark wardrobe and they give it a really stylish winter vibe. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is all about prints, and I love picking up a fresh black and white print right about now. I just got this new blouse with the stars, and I can wear it with my black pinstripe pants that have been in my wardrobe for a really long time. It looks really sharp. Last year I did it with the black and white polka dots, and it looked equally fresh. So look at what you have in terms of black and white and what you can add and how your prints talk to one another so that you can really make your style sing. And the last tip is an oldie but goodie, is black and white always looks great with a pop of color, especially as we start heading towards spring. And right now I'm loving this cobalt blue with black, and I also love yellow, green, you get the gist. So a pop of color can really freshen up your black and white wardrobe. So that's it for today. I hope 1, 2, maybe all 3 of these ideas resonated with you, helped you look at your own wardrobe a little bit differently. If you like this kind of fashion show and tell, please join us in our Facebook group tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll be doing a deeper dive into all things winter black and white, and we've also invited stylist, Dressing Well stylist Jen Coletti to join us. Jen last worked for us in 2008 when she lived in Boston, and she's back as one of our virtual stylists in our popular program 90 Days to Stellar Style. So come see what makes Jen so special and why her clients love working with her. Again, that's tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, in our Facebook group. Link in bio to join, and hope to see you there. So have a great rest of the day Wednesday. We'll see you again next week. Have a great evening. See you later. Bye-bye.